My name is Zachary Yeckley, your local sales representative for Marathon Special Products. Today my objective is to introduce our new fused power distribution blocks. These are for 200 amp J-class applications. There are a number of different selling points for these specific fused power distribution blocks. First off, I'd like to talk about the new Snap-on clear covers that are available for these. They clearly come off very easily, and as you can see, they snap on for protection for fingers and for other end-use applications. Next, I would like to talk about our bolt-down fuse connection. This provides easy installation and removal, along with an extremely reliable connection for the maximized heat dissipation. We can also talk about our feeder circuit spacing. When applying to UL 508A, all components, particularly distribution components, are to meet the spacing requirements that are in excess of traditional recognized power distribution blocks. These power distribution option offers 60% space savings by reducing the need for a separate fuse holder and power distribution block. I'd like to also speak on behalf of the modularity of these fused power distribution blocks. This provides the flexibility to customers to configure multi-line blocks or add on to the existing one. Not to mention the weight reduction that these fused power distribution blocks offer. We've calculated over 30% reduction over our standard models. Lastly, I'd like to talk about the high SCCR or short circuit current ratings. We've achieved this with a full distribution wire range at 200 kA to assure safety while saving critical space. If you have any questions regarding our new fused power distribution blocks, please reach out to a Galco sales representative or a Marathon Special Products sales representative, and we'd be more than happy to help you guys answer those questions. Thank you.